So it is an international English language testing system powered by ITP to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of candidate number 111163. What's your name?
My name is Kulveer.
How may I address you?
You can address me as my first name Kulveer.
Okay. Where are you from?
I hail from Malad, which is situated in Ludhiana district in Punjab.
Okay. What changes would you like see there in near future?
Okay.
What changes would you like to see in your area in future?
Okay. There one thing I change in future. The transport service is not good in recent times. I also recommend to
Do you like your living area?
Yes, I love my living area because I live with my parents since my childhood.
Okay, now let's talk about makeup. Do you wear makeup?
Yes, because of work I wear makeup, little bit makeup, such as I wear lipstick and mascara.
Okay, how often do you wear makeup?
No, I don't often. I don't use makeup in daily routine, but a little bit in occasional I do makeup.
What does wearing makeup means to you?
Because makeup wearing means, according to my perception, makeup is enhance our facial features.
Do you give makeup kit as a gift to someone?
Yes, I give a makeup kit to my friends on her birthday.
What do you think when you see a man wearing makeup?
Pardon, please.
What do you think when you see a man is wearing a makeup?
I think it's very funny to me because makeup are not for men.
Okay, let's talk about cue card. And here your cue card is. You can use paper or pencil to make your notes. You have only 1 minute to prepare your cue card. Okay, your time is up. You may start now.
Okay, there are many art in India, but here I would like to talk about art when I made in my school a few months ago. Since In my childhood, in my childhood, I made a one sand art, which is one organization came there in my schoolhouse, and my school organization, and that organization decided to made one competition in our school, which is related to anything such as embroidery, historical, pictorial, and so on. I can participate on. I can also participated on that occasions, and I started when when the, when the competition started. I started sand art on one round plate, which is revealed our culture and tradition. When our student waited for the result, the school organization told us the result declare on a second day, and when
Okay, I'm going to stop you here. Your time is up. So now it's time for follow-up questions. And your first question is, what kind of extracurricular activities do school offer in your country?
Okay, in my country there are numerous such of activities on there in school. The school organize outdoor games.
Do you think school needs to be improved in extracurricular activities?
I think school do need extracurricular activities, because because all student need all round development.
Is learning performing art or drama encourage children in your country? Learning arts or drama. Is learning performance of art or drama encourage children in your country?
Yes, in my country, learning dramas encourage to children, because they should easily audio plus visualization, they can understand better.
Do you think children must be encouraged to learn drama and other art forms like painting and dancing in school?
I think pardon please.
Do you think children should be encouraged to learn drama or other art activities such as painting and dancing?
Yes, these curriculum activities enhance students all-round development, such as intellectual and cognitive skills.
Okay.